Hello friends. Today, I want to share a knit pattern featuring a mesh design with an intriguing interlacing that creates a unique texture. This pattern was published on a popular knitting channel a month ago, and I've made slight improvements to the technique, which I hope will make it easier to knit. The knitting pattern is based on a small figure that employs two techniques. A double decrease that tilts to the left, and a double twisted yarn over, which I will demonstrate for the first time. I'll explain both techniques in detail shortly. For the double decrease, we combine 3 loops into one. The decrease can be centered when the middle stitch is in front, or it can tilt to the left or right, depending on whether the right or left stitch is in front. I will demonstrate the double decrease tilting to the left with the right stitch in front. The steps are as follows. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, then knit the second and third stitches together. Finally, pass the resulting stitch through the first one. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, then knit the second and third stitches together. Pass the resulting stitch through the first one. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, then knit the second and third stitches together. Finally, pass the resulting stitch through the first one. Yarn over loops are typically made between 2 stitches. A regular yarn over loop is created by placing the yarn on the right needle in a specific way. In contrast, a twisted yarn over loop is made by placing the yarn behind the left needle and wrapping it around. Then, slip it to the right needle. This creates a single twisted yarn over loop. If we want to make 2 consecutive twisted yarn over loops that look symmetrical, we do the following. For the first twisted yarn over, with the yarn at the back, place the yarn behind the left needle, wrap it, and slip it. For the second twisted yarn over, with the yarn in front, place the yarn in front of the left needle, wrap it in the forward direction, and slip it. By following these steps, we create 2 symmetrical loops, which we call a double twisted yarn over loop. Now, let's return to the knitting. The pattern consists of 3 loops and only 2 rows. We begin with a number of stitches that are multiples of 3, plus 4 edge stitches. Since the knit features yarn over loops near the edge, we will stabilize it laterally with 2 edge stitches on both sides. These 2 edge stitches should be slipped at the beginning of each row, and at the end of each row, they should be knitted through the front. Row 1, right side. Slip 2 edge loops first without knitting. Create a twisted yarn over loop with the yarn in front. Make a double decrease with a slope to the left. Create a twisted yarn over loop with the yarn at the back. Again, create a twisted yarn over loop with the yarn in front. Make a double decrease with a slope to the left. Create a twisted yarn over loop with the yarn at the back. To finish the row, knit 2 edge loops. Row 2, wrong side. Slip 2 edge loops first without knitting. Purl 2 loops. Then, purl 1 through the back. Again, purl 2. Then purl 1 through the back. To finish the row, knit 2 edge loops. I have introduced you to a unique knitting technique that produces a distinctive texture. This knit is suitable for creating clothing and accessories for all seasons, and it can be made using both thin and thick yarn. For example, you can knit summer tops with light acrylic yarn or make winter scarves and shawls using mohair. In addition to its attractive appearance, this technique results in a fabric with good structure, ensuring it won't twist or loosen after washing. As you plan your upcoming projects, I encourage you to consider trying this technique. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm certain you'll adore. Thank you so much for being part of my audience. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.